Because when we read John chapter 1 and verse 1, where it says, in the beginning was the Word, we have to see, what is the beginning? What is it speaking about? Let's get this in context.
Genesis chapter 1 at verse 1 says, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
This is the beginning that John chapter 1 and verse 1 is referring to. It's literally referring to the very first book that was written. Genesis chapter 1 and verse 1. This is the beginning. Can you read verse 2?
And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters.
And then can you read verse 3?
And God said, let there be light, and there was light.
And God said, let there be light.
That's right.
And there was light.
That's right.
That's the Word. In the beginning was the Word. The Word was with God, meaning the Word belongs to God.
That's right.
It's not another person. It's the Word that comes from God's own mouth. So it says, and God said, let there be light. So everything was dark. Imagine everything is dark. And then the moment that God speaks, the moment that the Word comes out of his mouth, everything brightens up. Everything brightens up. There's light everywhere. That's the Word that was with God. When it says the Word was God, it is saying that the words that were being spoken came from God. It's not two gods that are with each other. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. It's not saying that the Word was another God that was with God. It doesn't say that. And everywhere in the scriptures, if we search the scriptures diligently and study to show ourselves approved unto God, a workman that needeth not to be ashamed,